Hope so that everybody is fine. So today we are here to learn something new. It's about the Thorium browser. So Thorium browser is the fastest web browser you can ever witness on internet. So for that you have to search thorium.raw. So it will enable such an interface in front of us, which is the Thorium browser. We have to click it and it's loading. So you have to then we scroll down and see there is written links. So in links you can see there are many operating systems like Linux, Mac OS, which is for iPhone, Raspberry, Android, which is normally used, and Titanium, Thorium for Windows 7, Thorium for Windows XP. These are very simple versions of Windows which are not used regularly nowadays. So you have to simply click on this Windows. Sorry, I misclick it. So you have to click on this Windows. So it's another page appearing, but in some cases these options are available as I'm showing you on page. So you have to click on mini installer AVX. So this will be starting the download process. So when it will be downloaded, you have to come into this documents and you have to click on this downloads. So the zip, as it's a zip appearing here, so the zip will be appeared here and you can easily extract it or install it and you can use it, and Thorium will be available on your PC. And for such informative and technical videos, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon for getting the latest updates. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.